Come on, give me 10. And I'll be done with this. Out. Boom.
All right. Good morning, everybody.
Probably sold too early, but whatever.
June 15th, Monday, June 15th. I just got up like a half hour ago, so I'm still kind of getting reorientated. I did, although I saw Neat running on Friday. I seen that running Friday after hours. I traded it Friday after hours. And I bought a little bit and sold into the squeeze. And then this morning, first thing I did is I woke up and I was like, oh, I bought it here at $5, risking red to green. It's the first thing I thought of when I woke up this morning was NET. How's that stock doing? And it was down right next to red to green, so I decided to buy it real quick off my phone. And then it got halted immediately after that. Apparently they got some news with a merger with an electric car company, which is causing it to go to 11. So I immediately sold. I've only got about a quarter of my position now. I sold most of it at 9, and now it's at 11. Are you kidding me?
Early.
Jesus. We got some big gappers today. Some big gappers. So, very, very interesting that this thing is squeezing so high. So we'll just see what it can do. Ooh, wow. And it looks like there's shorts available. But shorting this thing seems... Oh, no, maybe there's not. It's looking. But I don't want to short this anyways. Who knows how high Neat can go. Also, another nice thing, for if you guys were here on Friday, you guys watched me step in front of a bus had a really bad trade. What was that ticker?
CHNR, China.
It was a long trade. Anyways, I left the live stream down. I was down almost 6K. But luckily I got bailed out at the end of the day by CLDX and IZEA. I didn't get even on the day, but I minimized the damage and got most of my money back. I was shorting these pops on CLDX, and then we had this big dump at the end of the day. And then, so I covered most of it down here in the low 7s. It bounced. I added to my position into this bounce here in the high 7s. So now my new average is 813. It's my new average, and it's gapping down. I probably should take a little off just to lock some in.
There, Leroy talked to CHNR. God, I sold this NETE too early.
So Matt Alvarado's long DGLY at 495. Let's look at that chart real quick. DGLY. There's a few stocks right now that are primed and ready for good bounce plays, and
I'm wrong with them at DGLY at 470.
I like that. It looks like it ran up, it pulled back, it's found a little base. I think that this thing could bounce for sure. Another one I think that is primed and ready for a bounce. I mean, I was thinking it was going to bounce last week, but they did another offering. These fuckers are offering machines, and it caused it to drop more. But I think Genus is primed for a first green day. It's put in that little doji on the daily chart, and it looks like it's ready to start squeezing up for a first green day. But it's diluted, so there's more shares out there. It's going to be harder for it to squeeze now. Another one is WRTC. I think that that one started squeezing on Friday. WRTC. Right here, WRTC. Look at that one. Had a first green day. So this potentially could go higher. and it's gapping up some to 845. So this could have another green day in it. WRTC, it's another one to keep on watch. Another one that I really like the daily on is XRF. XRF. Come on. Justin, let me call you back, dude. I'm right in the middle of a live stream, bro.
All right, call me back.
All right, bye. That was my business partner. Let's go back to work. Anyways, all right. XRF, I really like the daily chart here. So a breakout over $3. So that could continue. Have you looked at XRF, Henry?
Yeah, I'm in it. Oh, I was in it Friday. I sold into that 325 push. I was in at $2, so.
I think XSPA. So those are some of the long setups. I think XSPA. I was just listening to Nate Mashad. He thinks it's gonna fade more, but to me it looks like a long. So I don't know. I got no bias on this one so far right now. Actually, if I had to pick a side, I think kind of long. IZEA. Let's see what else. Ooh, IZEA. Yes. All right. So IZEA bailed me out too. I didn't get as much size on IZEA, but I happened to be sitting at my computer and had it right as a main watch on my screen when this dump down to the low twos happened, and then we got this nice bounce. So I shorted the bounce at 250 and then covered down here. And so now it's gapping up. What the hell? There we go. Are we gapping up? No, we're gapping down. Now we're gapping down. So probably more downside. But that's just on a side, just to stay familiar with it. I'm not really that interested in that one. And then the top percent gainers of the day. Man, we got several stocks gapping up over 100%.
Genus is squeezing. Just hit $5.
Genus, number one potential buy, I think, for a long. EDSA, look at this thing. Right now, EDSA is up, gapping up 155%. It's hit a high of almost 10, pulling back to the 7. So we're going to watch this, see what happens. It might sell off right at the open, and maybe it offers a potential dip buy, and then we can, it may not break out over this $10, but I mean, if you dip bought it down here in 5.
I did this morning. I made $4 a share.
Henry was sitting there ready to click as soon as it. What you got it at 4.95, right?
Yep.
Jesus Christ, Henry catches these fuckers. He's ready to pull the trigger at 6 a.m. Don't you? Like you have everything.
Yeah, I usually buy 6 a.m. in 1 second.
6 a.m. in 1 second. Anyway, so yeah, EDSA, definitely top watch. BBI. What about BBI? This is up top percent gainer 2. I don't know what's going to do. It's got a float of 8.46 million. And it's up 111%. HGSH. One of these fuckers are going to go. One of these, BBI, HGSH, NEAT. Well, NEAT's already moving like crazy. EDSA, one of these is going to go. One of these, something's going to squeeze out today. So we just need to have them up on watch. And yeah, so I got BBI. What else are we? I mean, WKEY. It's up 53%. ANT up 37%. That's about all I got right now. For me, top watch is going to be CLDX. I need to take some profits, actually. I'm going to take a little bit off right now.
Aren't you glad I told you not to buy EDSA?
Ooh.
$7
Yeah.
now.
Yep, it's giving it up. sell, cover some of this. I think CLDX goes lower, but just I'm gonna lock in a little bit just to be safe. Is John there? John, fine. Yeah, there he is, Jonathan. Hey, I got that book, Jonathan, Trading in the Zone. I just got through the part where it asks you all those, the attitude survey, where it asks you all these different questions about what you think. Like one of them was, are you often in trades and you feel like the market is against you personally? I don't ever feel that way now, but I do remember when I first started trading, I remember feeling that way. Like, God, I feel like it's just going against, like, I feel like they know that I'm in it and they're just keep going. And, you know, I remember feeling that way, but now I don't really feel that way. So, yeah, excellent suggestion. It's a good book. So far, I mean, I haven't got that far into it yet, but I like it so far. I also like the analogy that there's a gap between, okay, so like say we're on planet Earth, right? And then you have the moon.
Sun.
Yeah, you have the moon, and it looks like you can reach out and touch the moon. It looks like it's close, but there's this gap to becoming a consistently profitable trader. That, you know, so getting to that point is like going to the moon, even though it seems it's so close and it's so easy and it's right there. It's like, yeah, I could get there because it's right there. But once you start making the journey, it's a lot more difficult than you would expect. So yeah, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, I think it is. Excellent book. It's based on, doesn't really go over setups. It's just more of the psychology of trading. Anyways, anybody else got any tickers out there that they, BioC, you're long, BioC, Henry?
Yep, 63 cents. It's failing. It's back. I sold some into that 70-cent push, but it's coming back to where I bought it. I think that might be a couple day hold though.
Couple day? XBA. So, Matt Alvarado says XBA is going to do COVID testing in airports. Oh, awesome. They got one contract already. Is that an option contract? I'm just kidding. It's not an option contract.
It's basically they had spa centers in airports, and they got the big deal with JFK that in these spa now they're going to be able to test people for the COVID-19 before flights, since they're already set up as a spa on that. So that's why it potentially could run and squeeze. I still have my 40 shares from the reverse split, so I'm just holding on to them to see if it goes bananas.
That sounds like pretty awesome news. We'll see if the stock reacts. Oh my God, dude. NEAT's at 13 now.
Yeah, I took it off my screen. I sold way too early.
I mean, do I sell here? No, I don't. Nah, I'm not gonna.
Really?
I'm not gonna sell up here. I'm gonna wait till it pulls back, and so I can give back $3 a share. I'm just kidding. No, we'll watch it. I mean, I've already sold 3/4 of it, so I might as well. Jesus Christ, dude, I'm up. Oh my God.
I was excited because I got in late. I went in at 7:30. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get my $10. I think I can get 10, and then it just like blew past it. I sold way too early.
I'm up.
Surprising, selling early, and you're holding.
I can't believe how I'm like over doubled my money on it. I should sell right up here. Why wouldn't I sell up here? I mean, I think it pulls back at the open, but it's not going to pull back to my entry. So I think I'm going to have to dip buy NEAT. I think I'm going to have to add to my position, which seems like every time I tried to add to a winner when we're doing a live stream, it ends in disaster. That's what happened on Friday. Remember we caught that squeeze, and then I sold half of it, and it pulled back, and I added and kept adding, and yeah, that was not pretty. But yeah, I think with NEAT for me, since I only have 125 shares left. I only bought 500 to begin with. I was just dabbling. I was taking a small position. This is crazy. So I should have been, instead of selling here at 9, I should have been adding.
Yeah.
Well, whatever. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. Genus, 8K. 8K in the filing is just telling about 2 PRs that they already put out, so it's meaningless. I guess they put out an 8K. So Genus is trying to pump their stock, I think. Genus is quickly top of my list for number 1 buy too. Genus, NEET, and EDSA. One of them's gonna go. Something's gonna go. Looks like everything's the stars are aligning. It looks like we're gonna get another 1,000% runner today, somewhere.
What's NETE up?
NET is up 185% right now.
Oh shoot, it's got a lot of room to go.
It's got a float of 4 million. So yeah, on any dip, any pullback, say the market opens and it pulls back to $10, I'm a buyer. I'm gonna buy. I mean, there's no way I can lose on this trade. So, and who knows? Okay, any NETE may bridge the gap. Jonathan hit me up too in Investors Live chat, and he was like, he's seen the big drop on CLDX, and he's like, bro, are you still in CLDX? And I was like, fuck, yes I am. Hell yes. I would have actually had an amazing Friday. Friday would have been amazing if anyone had that one fucking trade where I tried to add to the winner, and then I got executed as it was going down. I forgot about an order that I had in, and my position size just got blown up. And then I didn't want to, I was waiting for it to come back and bounce, and it just never, ever, ever bounced at all. And it just kept fading. And thank God that I got out when I did, because I remember, I think I got out in the low 3s, and the thing went to like, God, what was it? CTIB? Was that it? What stock was that we traded, Henry?
No, Leroy mentioned it in the chat. It was CHNR.
Oh, China. Yeah, China. That fucking piece of shit. Look at it, it's $1.87. Oh my God. Thank God I didn't hold that. I mean, I got out when it broke the lows, and it was painful. Got on the low 3s, but look at that fade. That would have been frustrating just to watch all day and never get any bounce. So you got to cut those losses, man. Not only did they take up your capital in your bank account, but they also take up your mental capital, because if I was still thinking about this and still watching it, I would have never have gotten eat. And it would affect your psychology, whereas you're super butthurt, you know. I would have woke up with someone peeing in my Cheerios immediately. I mean, I guess you could have got out into this little pop right here, but yeah.
Alright, we got 45 seconds.
Oh, already? CLDX. That's what I need to focus on. CLDX and NETE, my main watches. Other top watch would be Genus. Thinking Genus is going to buy. And BBI. Okay, happy trading, everybody. See you on the other side of the bell.
Seconds.
Yeah, I already locked in 3/4 of mine, Jonathan, of my NET. And NET is... pulling back. Genus is pulling back. Okay, EDSA holding 7. NETE trying to hold the 12s. CLDX kind of popping a little bit. Genus dipping, pulling back to the 470s. What to buy, what to buy, what to buy. Man, thinking about dip buying Genus. It's pulling back to the 450s. The red to green on Genus is 414. Neat pulling back to the 11s. Man, I should add to Neat somewhere.
Oh, I can't do nothing. Think or swim stupid. Waiting for data crap. Shit.
Oh, wow, waiting for data. That sucks. What's going on with this thing? Is yours doing that too? Your Thinkorswim?
Yep.
Oh, wow. These poor brokers. I added a little bit to Neat down here in the 11s. I think, let me see what price I got Neat at. I added at 7. Nope, that's not it. That's CLDX. It's not showing me what I got executed at. It'll come in here in a minute. Yeah. Yep, that would have been a good dip buy on Genus. Oh, there you go. Genus is back. See? I thought about buying down here in the mid 4s, 450, 460. But I don't want it closer to the red to green, like closer to 425. But it didn't dip that low, so. Red to green on Genus is 415, so I was hoping to get a little bit further down. Man, do I sell Neat up here? I'll just put a stop loss in at 11. Probably should have sold Neat up there. Up there at 13, I mean, gosh. Okay, I got a stop loss in at 11. Or actually 1096. So just below VWAP on Neat. See if it holds VWAP. Probably won't hold VWAP. I bet you Neat probably flushes down and goes lower. It's holding so far. CLDX with a really, really weak bounce. And Neat's about to give it up. I think so. Nothing really hitting high day scanner. HGSH hitting high day scanner.
I was just gonna say that I just pulled that up. That's hit 310 this morning.
Did Neat get halted? I think Neat got halted. Did it? I should have got taken out. I think Neat got halted on the way down. And I'm getting some more downside on my CLDX, which is nice. Had a weak spike, very weak spike. Now it's starting to head south. HGSH, that looks like that one's the one that wants to run. And I'm pretty sure that NET, Netty, got halted. Yep, halted. How did I not get executed? Well, I guess it didn't get halted.
I'm gonna dabble with HGSH in at 171.
All right, I'm gonna get that one up. HGSH. HGSH. You're in at 171.
Yep.
All right, I'll pull it up so we can watch it. HGSH. Yeah, nice, Henry. Looks like it's going. Look at that. So HGSH up 100% on the day.
Runner, I had an alert. Previous runner, GNMK, is over $11.
Oh yeah, I remember that one.
Remember that one? So I don't know if that's possible. Maybe short for you. I'm not gonna take it long.
Dang, dude, HGSH looking good, bro. It's up over 100% now, up at $2 now. Looking pretty good. You got a lot of room to the pre-market resistance at 3.
Excuse me.
Genus.
My BIOC's starting to go at 66.
XBA bouncing a little bit. What about
previous runner as well? Just almost it's breaking out on the daily. CEMI.
CEMI?
Yep. It's down from $16 on April 27th. Just hit $10.
Oh, I remember that one. Semi. Oh, yeah. Right now.
Just going through my alerts that are popping up.
Okay, so HGSH is halted too.
What? Just got halted? Yeah! Woo! Flare deserving.
JILL. Jill. What is that one doing?
Oh, yeah. I actually got that on that was over the weekend. Is that doing something?
I'm about to pull it up right now. Let's look at it real quick.
I was planning on buying that today for a swing.
At 60 cents?
Well, I don't know yet. I mean, that was in the chat that it has room to go. It's crossing the something 20. I don't know.
I mean, on the daily, it's pulling back to this, if you were to draw a trend line, it looks like a dip buy right now. I'm probably not going to buy it. I've already locked in quite a bit of money so far on my CLDX and my NEAT. So I'm going to do my best to...
Runner this morning that gapped down, but they had good news. It's starting to move. BHTG, I just went long at 165. I'm going to dabble.
BHTG, yes, that one's hitting the high day scanner. Man, I'm waiting for data too on Thinkorswim.
Oh,
BHTG.
Thinkorswim's working now.
Come on. BHTG. Alright, so I got executed. I'm out of NEAT. And it's holding.
Just as I say that, now I'm waiting for it. Oh, there it goes. That's good.
That's okay, though. Okay, I'm not getting any data on Thinkorswim. HGSH. Man, this sucks. I'm not getting any data. Thank God I'm not trading from it. Your Thinkorswim's working right now.
Let me go switch to a different one. Yeah, it's working.
Man, what is wrong with mine? Try one of these.
Brokers, they're all junk.
Dang it. What's going on with it? Do I have to restart it? Oh, alright, I'm completely out of CLDX. It's approaching the green to red at 780 is red to green, green to red. So it just took me out at 769. Took the rest of my profits there. So now I'm position free, which feels really weird for me. But HGSH is my is the one I'm most interested in right now. WRTC, forgot about that one too. That one's squeezing.
Too much shit going on. I missed out on Hertz.
Man, WRTC really squeezing. Second green day.
HGSH open.
HGSH is open now. It's at $2. What is going on with the software? I'm going to try to stop. I'm going to try to restart my Thinkorswim. Alright. Let's restart it. Yeah, that's HGSH is my number one potential buy right now. It's squeezing up for you, Henry. Henry got in at 171. Boom, he got in early. He did not hesitate to. So we'll wait for it to pull back.
I missed out on Hertz. I almost bought it at 220. It hit 270. Freaking piece of crap stock.
Why are you mad at Hertz, man?
Because I was watching it all morning, and because they had news that they're liquidating more shares, like 500 million shares. So I'm like, God, this is gonna. I sold all my positions this morning. I was in long from freaking last week at 185, and I thought it was gonna tank.
Okay, I just bought some HGSH at 209. Oh
And
man.
It's in the opposite way. It's squeezing.
Nate or NETE up to 1244. Man, I got a shitty sell. I sold it where I should have been adding.
Now I'm waiting for data. Come on, TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, crap, freaking thing.
It's installing updates for me right now. I got nothing. There it goes.
Why can't all platforms just never fail?
It's not how life works, Henry. Okay.
Well, it should.
CLDX up to the 770s. Okay, CLDX. How am I not getting a fucking... Okay, I just shorted some more CLDX at 773. I'm going to risk 780, which is the red to green. CLDX, the red to green. There we go. Now my shit's working again. Maybe. Oh no, we got more pullback on HGSH. I'm going to buy some more. Alright, bought some more at 194. So we'll see what it does. See if it can reclaim 2 and continue to go. It's got room to go to 3. HGSH. Neat is halted again. Or Netty. What do you guys prefer? Netty or Neat? What do you like? XSPA's going up. Yeah. It's got a little juice in it.
HGSH failing. It's gonna hold, or is it gonna roll over?
I know it's not looking good, is it, right now?
Nope. still waiting for data.
Did you sell any into that squeeze up to 225?
I put an order in, but I'm waiting for data, so I don't know if it hasn't gone through.
It should get bought up down here.
I'm not buying anything or doing anything until this starts working.
Yeah, I'm waiting for data again.
Usually only lasts a few minutes, so.
Wow, this is a bummer. With we can't see anything with.
I'm sending a complaint to the chat here.
Can you do it from the platform, or do you have to go to the website?
No, you just go up on support and chat up in the right hand corner.
All right, HGSH looks like it's maybe finding some support, or as they say that it goes down further. They're at 183. Pulling back some more. And CLDX starting to roll over a little bit. Got rejected by red to green. And it's going down. All right, got it back. So yeah, red to green is 780. I shorted at 773. So now it's starting to roll over CLDX a little bit. And then, but the top watch, HGSH, come on. And
I
it's
got
just
a sell that looks like at 213.
so HGSH really just, man, what a disappointment. Gonna get a bounce. Spike, fail. Let's look at the daily on it. Yeah, I guess the last time it had a big spike, it just completely sold off, so it may do the same thing with this one. Oh gosh, I fucked up. Should have looked at the hit. Look at this. Spike, fail, spike, fail, spike, fail. Yeah, so don't want to. Definitely want to respect your.
I'm risking 160 and I'm out.
Yeah, definitely want to respect your risk on HGSH because history says that it's probably gonna fail, but you never know. Genus started to come back, and Genus is just giving it up. Giving it up. WRTC turned out to be a nice long. IZEA squeezing a little bit up to the 160s. Come on, HGSH. Let's get a bounce.
Your stock that you lost money on Friday is moving.
Of course it is. China. And neat. Breaking, got halted on the way up, and now it's coming back down. They had news, a merger with an electric car company. Looks like it's likes $10. Finding some support there at 10. Maybe. I think it's gonna go lower. What about EDSA? Do we forget about that one? Man, that XRF gave it up. Alright, so I'm waiting for data. EDSA. EDSA. What's that one doing? Alright, EDSA trying to find some support. Look, EDSA putting in the double bottom.
I'm watching this CHNR, man. I'm looking to maybe scalp it. It hit 350 this morning pre-market, pulled back, and Now I was trying to test VWAP. If it goes over VWAP and holds at $2, I might dabble.
I'm buying EDSA. I like the double bottom. Buy. I'm gonna risk the low right here. The 580s, 57 or 570s. I'm in at 634. Probably could have waited and got a better price, closer to 6, but that's okay. I'm not taking very big size. So the low is 5, so it's 569. So unquote and sell. All right, so I'm in EDSA. And HGSH is starting to bounce a little bit. Probably going to sell my EDSA into any kind of bounce towards 2. Or I have to sell now because it's just not bouncing very much. And all right, stop losses are in. Now I'm going to sit back and see which one of these trades works. CLDX is looks like it's working. It's slow, but it's working. Ooh, neat, giving it up. NETE, giving it up, down to 9. No, 10 actually. The high 9s, low 10s. And look at that, EDSA. That double bottom looks really, really nice right there. Be nice to get a squeeze back up to 9. And there she goes a little bit. All right, look at this EDSA. We're approaching 7. I could sell some right now. I think I'm going to wait though. Okay, that's what Henry would do. Why are you going to sell it so soon, Brian? You just got in. It just started going up. Right, Henry?
That's right.
Okay, I'm out of HGSH. So HGSH is now dead to me. Whereas, look at this, look at this, look at this. I gotta sell some right here, Henry. I'm sorry. Oop, look at that. I gotta get rid of my stop loss before I can sell. Come on, cancel the order. It's actually a good thing that my stop loss was there. Okay, I gotta sell some. Sell. All right, I sold a little bit at 750. Woo woo. There it goes. There she goes. See if I can get some out at 8. No. Maybe I should sell some more at 750. Yeah, I will. Can't help it. I gotta take some out. It's pulling back. Right when I decided to sell some more, it said nope. See how it holds this this VWAP here. See if it can find some support at VWAP. Oop. Sold some more at 750. Covered 1/4 of my CLDX at 750.
I went long CHNR at 180.
China.
I'm gonna try to scalp it. It's getting bought up above 180. It hit 350 pre-market, so I'm only trying to get like anything above 225, 250 would be nice. but I'm keeping my wrist tight for this piece of crap.
So with EDSA, I think if it goes below 7, I'll get out, take the rest of my profits. But right now, it's at 8. I can't believe you're not more interested in EDSA, Henry.
I already made enough money on it this morning. I'm not giving it back to it.
Oh, he's already traded it. So he's like, you know what? I don't want to.
I bought it at $4.95. I sold it all. It was all out at $9. I made $4 a share. Then I'm not going to give back $1 a share to it.
Okay, I gotcha. It just looks so nice right now. Look at this little W action for win. That's what that double bottom stands for. See it? Stands for win. Okay.
If it consolidates above VWAP or whatever and starts grinding, I might dabble, but not right now. It's only been over VWAP 2 minutes, so.
Okay. Everybody knows Henry likes the sideways price action. Ain't that right, Henry?
I love confirmation. Confirmation consolidation.
Ooh, look at that. Nasty pullback.
But don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a professional.
Henry rocking out the disclaimer.
Brian, your screen's all black. Why don't you read?
It is?
Yeah.
Oh no. Still? Okay, I'm gonna have to restart the software that streams it through YouTube. So we're gonna lose connection for a minute, and I'll be right back.
All right.
All right, I'm back. Can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me? I'm back. I should be back. It says I'm live.
Yep, the screen's up.
Thank you for letting me know that, because my screen was up, but it wasn't streaming through the live stream.
Oh, really?
Oh, no. All right, I added back on this pullback right here on EDSA. My new average is 654, which I'm not going to stick around long, because if this thing's going to keep going down. And did it take me out? All right, I'm all out. I hate this. I hate to sell on a weakness like that. Didn't mean to take it out. Let me see here. Yeah, I'll leave it alone. Neat looks like it's trying to find some support, maybe over 10. And HGSH is consolidating at 170. Yeah, Neat looked like it's wanting to come back, man. Look at that on Neat. But that could just be a pop, and then it gets rejected and it fades more. So I'm not going to buy it. I want it closer to 10. Oh, look at Neat. HGSH looks like it's trying to mount a comeback, a little one. HGSH. Kind of putting in that U-shaped pattern right there. Looks like it kind of wants to bounce up towards VWAP. I'm already out. And Neat. 1 minute. 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 Okay, yep, got rejected. Right there, view app. We'll see if it puts in a higher low. Might rebuy it if it puts in a higher low.
Excuse me.
100% out of EDSA now. EDSA giving it up. Back to 6. To the low 6s. Gonna hold 6? I don't know. So right now I'm just gonna sit on my hands, I guess. I still got my I took some of my CLDX off at 750, but right now it's hanging around 768. I got a stop loss in at 784 in case it goes green on the day. Other than that, I'm just gonna hang out. Neat, looking pretty interesting. Do you find neat interesting, Henry, or no? Not yet.
Neat. Nope.
DGLY spiking a little bit, moving into this resistance zone.
Things that make you go,
So far, nothing really spectacular popping off right now. Nothing really I mean, we've had EDSA tried to spike and got smacked down at 8. But other than EDSA, I mean, nothing is really, we haven't had a big runner yet. Nothing is really squeezing really hard. But something's gonna happen sooner or later. Somebody's gonna go crazy soon. Which one is it? That is the question. I don't think it's going to be HGSH. Just it's looking weak. Fading down to the 160s. We'll see how EDSA, see if it can hold. See if it can hold $6. And then we got our good old friend Neat over here. 1070.
DGLY. About to test $5.
Okay, I just longed Neat again. I'm going to risk 10. I got it at 1080. Ugh. I got it at 1080. Neat. Looks like it's curling up. Looks like it wants to break the review app right now. So I'm going to risk $10. EDSA trying to find some support in the low 6s. Neat. Trying to squeeze up. It's going to get rejected here. I think it might. Better put in a stop loss. Stop on quote. And okay, I got the stop loss in at neat. If it can't hold 10, I'm getting out. I could be wrong about HGSH. I mean, it's...
We should have bought GNMK at $10 when I alerted it. It's at $11.50.
GNMK. Wow, look at CLSN, dude.
CLSN.
Breaking out on the daily, man. Look at that. Look at CLSN. Breaking out on the daily. I don't want to chase it up here, though. But definitely
Like
throwing it.
way better.
Definitely going to watch it, though. Oh, I'm out of neat. Completely out of neat. Alright, neat. BBI, not doing shit. Holding over 2, though. CLSN, I got to get that one up. CLSN. Wow. You could buy CLSN right here on this pullback. The breakout on CLSN on the daily is, wow, over like over 360, over the 360s. It's pulling back to the 360s right now. Man. CLSN has a float of 26 million. Oh. CLSN. Man, CLSN looks interesting.
DGLY just broke over $5.
Nice. Good job, Matt. It's going for you.
And Genus just reclaimed VWAP. So I'm watching that one.
And EDSA holding strong, holding $6 strong. Doesn't want to go away just yet.
Oh my god. I think I'm going to be done trading for the day. I'm waiting for data again. Oh my god. Killing me. Killing me.
EDSA giving it up. Or CLSN. And NETE going under 10. Yeah, so right now, I mean, I don't know what to get in. Nothing, I guess. I mean, I like CLSN. HTZ pulling back a little bit. Look at that one. HTZ. Damn. HTZ sold off hard.
That's
So
the VWAP right now.
Bison says CLSN if it holds 350. Yeah, I mean, it's over VWAP. Gosh, I feel like it's a buy. All right. I'm out of CLDX. It just went green on the day.
Hey, pull up because my charts are not working, but I was watching it this morning. Reclaim VWAP. Previous runner, SRNE.
SRNE. I remember that one. CLDX squeezing. Glad I got out. CLDX. They put out some news. Not seeing anything. Alright, I got some CLSN. Minute 361. CLSN, it's a breakout on the daily, and it's holding its trend. It's holding its trend right here. It is separated from VWAP, which is a good strong sign that the buyers are in control. So correlating it with the daily chart and the intraday chart, it looks good right now. I feel like it should go up, but it doesn't matter what I think. Only matters what Mr. Market thinks. EDSA holding $6. Still. Holding $6. CLDX spiked up. Past green to red. Up to the 820s, and it might go higher. Green on the day, so it should get a little bit more of a pop. Man, this EDSA just holding the $6. I can't help it. All right. Hop back in EDSA at 627. It's holding this $6 so nicely that I'm gonna risk $6. I'll risk 20 cents, 27 cents. It's holding it so nicely. Okay, EDSA. Go for me. And EDSA is... EDSA. Yeah, holding this $6 really nice. Put in a higher low too. So you had the double bottom right there on EDSA, and then it squeezed up and it pulled back and it put in a higher low here at 6, and now it's squeezing up to the 860s. So if this thing can reclaim 7, reclaim VWAP, consolidate, hopefully we might get a test of high of day or of the pre-market highs up in the 9s. That'd be awesome. Wouldn't even need to break out over the pre-market highs. Just to even test it would be fantastico. Probably won't do it though. Matt, I don't blame you for taking profits there on DGLY, Matt, because, well, I mean, I guess it could bounce and keep going higher, but I don't blame you at all. I like taking profits into strength like that, into a squeeze. I like taking profits. Take some anyways, or CLDX popped over green to red, and then it hasn't been able to continue squeezing. So I'm going to be watching this for a short. EDSA. EDSA pulling back close to 6. 630s. See if we can keep grinding. Netty down to 9. Glad I cut that one. Netty's down to 9. CLSN holding 360. I see a lot of people talking about CI Oxy. CI Oxy. It's not hitting my high day scanner. Oh gosh. Holy smokes. That one never hit my high day scanner. That one hit yours, Henry? CIOXY? Never hit mine.
CIOXY.
CIOXY.
Oh yeah, I seen it a while ago, but it was an OTC, and I'm like, messing with it.
That's why it's trading like that.
Yeah.
I hate OTCs. I do not like to trade them. The executions are so bad, and it's frustrating when you're trying to get out, and you're like trying to hit the bid or hit the ask or whatever, just to get me out, and it just goes through it. Oh, it's annoying. EDSA. Look at that. Squeezing up a little bit. We're approaching 7 on EDSA. Look at that. I'm going to have to sell some here at 7. Damn it, I missed it. Take 7 again. Come on. Get over 7 one more time. Don't make me take some out in the 680s. Alright, I'll sell some here. Oop. Gotta cancel my stop loss. Yes, I want to cancel order. Alright, I sold some. At 7. Look at EDSA, it's going. Come on. Let's go. Squeeze it. Squeeze it, man. There we go. 750. Can it get over 8? Oh, slap down. Ugh. Man. I'm going to take some more out at 7. Just in case. I already have like a $500 profit on it, so I might as well just take some out. Just a little bit. And
just a little bit.
CLSN holding 350. Did you get in that, Bison? You take some at 350? CLSN holding 350. It's a nice looking chart. Nice looking intraday chart and nice looking daily chart in CLSN. I'll be surprised if this thing doesn't go higher. CLDX rolling over a little bit. And I'm just going to set my stop loss on EDSA at my entry at 627.
Oh.
What's the matter, Henry? Are you okay? You got to take a dump or something?
I sold my DGLY at $5.
Oh, DGLY. Oh, wow. Oh, shit. That's all you can do, Matt. He moved his stop loss up and he respected it. That's all you can do.
That's right.
That keeps you safe. You don't risk disaster doing... If you trade like that, you don't risk disaster. And take it from somebody who has been through disaster more than one time. It's such a good habit to have. Such a good fucking habit to have. Every professional trader will say that. Know your risk before you enter the trade. And then respect it. Every professional trader. Even in that book, that book that I started in trading in the zone that I started this weekend, one of the questions was, do you have a set risk before you enter each trade? You should. EDSA. Come on, you son of a gun. Let's go.
So while you're waiting for that to squeeze, pull up, add an alert set SFET.
Every time I see someone mention this, ooh, wow, spiked up a little bit.
Every time you're thinking short. I understand that.
I am not thinking short right now. It's not extended enough to want to short it. I'm not thinking short at all. I am loving this EDSA right now, though.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's got to get past that. If it breaks through 805, she could go.
I'm going to try to add at $7.10. Man, I may not get an ad. I'll just let it ride. Fuck it. Look at that. Boom. 820s. God, where do I sell at? I just want to write. You know what? Move the stop loss up.
Move your stop loss up.
Move the stop loss up. Right now, I don't want to move the stop. I want to add to the winner is what I want to do. I just got to figure out a good spot to add into. Gosh.
Oh, man.
Alright, I couldn't help it. I had to take a little bit off there. A tiny bit. We're at 850 now. I should be... Actually, now that it's really squeezing, I should be adding right here. This is the part where I should be adding. But I'm just so terrified to just add into this squeeze right now. I feel like I need to do it on a pullback. Neat holding $9. Nah, I'm pretty happy with I sold a little bit there. I can always add some back. Man, I'm going to sell some more at 9. Alright, I lied. I sold some at 850. 860. Now it's pulling back. Okay, I'm going to try to get the ad at just above 750. Pulls back to 750 and put the ad in at 763. Put a buy order in. Meanwhile, CLSN, no bueno. So yeah, I got a buy order in just above 750. It may not even get back that far. Neat bouncing to 10, probably get rejected. All right, so here is the EDSA pullback. Need to get some here. Okay, I got an ad at 784. It's got an ad at 784. We'll see what happens from there. My new average on EDSA is now 706. So I'll risk 7.
A lot of people must be talking to TD Ameritrade because I still haven't heard back from my chat, and they're usually within 5 minutes I hear back.
I'm starting to think Neat can come back too, Henry. God, I feel so optimistic today. All right, I bought some Neat. I'm going to risk 9. Okay, I got Neat at 944. I'm going to risk $9. Got a stop loss in at 897. Maybe I want to put it a little bit wider than that.
So I went long Jill at 62 cents.
Okay, CLSN looks like it's might hold VWAP. Congratulations. Oh, here's a big yank on EDSA. And Henry is long Jill. Okay.
It's not moving fast for you. This is going to be either today if it squeezes it or an overnight hold.
It's a swing trade.
Yeah.
Swing trade idea.
Just because 3 out of the 6 people I follow all talked about it has potential to start squeezing because of they did an 8K filing, and so.
Henry, I could completely see why you bought that as far as a swing trade idea. Ooh, look at that. Big pop up to 9 or close to it. We're going to test 9. There we go. It gets over high a day, man. We might have a big winner here. It gets over 10. Shit.
What are you talking about? What one?
EDSA, dude. Look at it, man. It's going over 10. Fuck yeah. Oh, maybe
Good
not.
job, Brian.
Never mind. Slack down
Give it a minute.
by pre-market highs.
Did you end up adding to your winner, or did you just hold your shares?
No, I added. I added on a pullback at 780.
Good job.
780. Thanks, Henry. Neat. Looks like it's about to crack 9. But that's okay. I really should sell some. I should have sold some up there. take some of these profits. Oh no, was too slow. Should have took some towards. I thought I was going to get over 10 right there. All right, I took out 1/3 of it at 9:38, and we're going over 10. Going over 10. Is it going to get over 10? Ugh. Okay, I'm going to move my stop loss just under 8. I'll move it to 7. I'll move it under 750. Is it going to get over 10? What do you think,
Yes.
Henry? You think so?
Yes. Maybe not for a little bit, but I mean, the trend is there.
I think I'm going to add more.
Excuse me.
Okay, I just added some more down here close to 9. Got an execution at 9:17. Yeah, not a very good ad, but that's okay. I'm gonna risk $8. NET still holding $9. Yeah, this may just be a double top right here on EDSA. It might just get rejected by this pre-market highs of 10, get rejected by 10, and then just die and fade off the rest of the day. There's the short mind. Henry says it's showing a lot of strength, and if I give it time, it's going to consolidate and it's going to break out over 10. It's going to squeeze higher. Is that what? That's what
I think.
So we'll see. Pulling back more. Oh, NET, dude. Popping, man. NET popping. Look at that. So I got the buy at 944. NET wanting to go. Says don't leave me out. I want to join the party. All right. I'm going to have to sell some NET up here, close to 10. Oh, I got to get rid of my stop loss. Dang it. Wanted it up by 950. All right, sold some. EDSA selling off hard and fast. I'm glad I took some profits on NEAT. Alright, what got executed? Oh, alright, I'm all out of EDSA. Just hit my stop loss, and I feel like that's the point where I should be buying. Dang it, man. That sucks. I don't think it's done. I agree with Henry. I think I have my stop loss too wide with it. Hop back in at 807 on EDSA.
I just went long SFIT at 171.
All right. Henry's long SFET. Alright, I'm really done with EDSA now. I wanted to believe it's going to go. It's at VWAP. Gosh. Keeping my risk way too. Alright, so hit my stop loss on NEAT too. I'm out of NEAT also. Completely out of NEAT.
Alright. Your EDSA hit $10 at 9:32, so 6 minutes ago.
Now it's pulling back to VWAP. I think it pulls back to VWAP, consolidates over VWAP, and then goes. I mean, EDSA, it is... How much is it up on the day? It's up 140%. Yeah. This has got a room to go to 1,000%.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or not. CLSN consolidating in the 340s. Boring. Oh, WRTC rolling over. Fuck. Should have been shorting that one. When it was getting stuffy up there at 9. Damn it, man. Missed the short there. Might not be over yet, though. Alright, I just took a short on WRTC. I'm chasing it a little bit. But it's about to go. The red to green on it is just over $8. It's at 807. So I took small size on it. So we'll see if it dips, and then maybe if it bounces and it gets rejected by red to green. I mean, it could just bounce right here though. That's another reason why I took small size on it, because it could bounce, put in a higher low right there, and like say like 850, and then fade off more. EDSA. Okay, I rebought EDSA one last time at 780. last time. I just really believe it's going to go. So I'm going to have to risk 741, the low of this candle. It's got to hold VWAP. It's got to hold VWAP. I'm sure I'm not the only trader thinking that right now. Okay.
Okie dokie. Okay, pumpkin.
All right, we're back over 8. Rejected. Okay, WRTC. I still think it's a short, but I covered. I took a $20 loss on it because I feel like it's going to bounce up here to about 850. Maybe between 850 and 860. And I'm going to look to short it there. I just want to try to get a better entry. I thought it was about to flush and just break down and keep going. But when it didn't do that, and it looks like it's kind of finding a bid and support a little bit right here in the 820s. So that's why I cut it, and I'm just going to try to get a better entry here in the 850s. So it's bouncing a little bit. I think I'll put an order at 850, 849. I think it probably will bounce to between 850 and 860. Maybe not. CLSN still holding VWAP. Something's got to get some volume sooner or later. It's like we had all 100% runners at the pre-market, and then now that the market's open, nothing's wanting to go. Maybe because everything was up too much.
It's kind of blah, boring.
But I don't know. This EDSA is definitely interesting. I mean, it already formed a bottom, squeezed up, tested the highs. It is consolidating over VWAP. I mean, this is an interesting chart.
True.
So I had to get in it one more time. We got a little perk off consolidation on CLSN. Nice little perk. CLSN. Yeah. Consolidated right here. So it popped off a little bit. So hopefully that one can go. I'm risking 341 on that one. And EDSA looks like it's about to shit the bed. And I'm out. Took me out. Okay. I should be done. Don't want to give back any more profits. Just stick with what I got. I mean, I was buying it in the 6s and selling it up at the 10s. I mean, I should be extremely happy with that. But I wanted it to get over 10 so bad. At least CLSN looks nice. Look at that. I really love the daily on CLSN. Such a nice looking multi-day breakout. And it's holding the VWAP. I just like the daily and the intraday lining up together nicely. So hopefully this can keep going. Hopefully we can get over 375. Maybe go to 4. Who knows? And
no one knows.
WRTC. Okay, so I cut it and I got an order at 849. See if we get an execution here soon. EDSA all the way down to 7. Probably should find some support there. Bison went long CLSN at 358. Nice.
Party is starting to pop. Party, 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 party.
Yeah, it is.
And let's see.
Okay, I added some to my CLSN long at 352. What are you buying, Henry? Are you buying? Selling anything?
I'm dabbling with party at 185.
Ah. Look at the daily real quick. Yeah. Yeah, it's bouncing. Go higher. Genus can't bounce. Neat fading. EDSA holding 7. EDSA, you fucker. You're so tempting. Oh, FOMO got me again. I couldn't help myself. EDSA. I'm going to risk 7. It's just this thing is so volatile. You get on the right side of it, make so much money so fast. It's definitely my kind of stock that I like to trade. You just got to make sure and not get stubborn with your bias, because come down just as fast as it goes up.
very true.
Uh-oh, my kid's like, Daddy. I mean, if it pops up to 8, I'm going to sell some for sure. I might get to 8. She's like, let me in. I came up here to get away from you. I don't recommend anybody buy EDSA. Just chances are it doesn't hold this 7. I mean, the easy money was whenever it put in the higher low here after the, and then it squeezed up to 10. CLSN. I mean, CLSN's a slow mover, but it could get some volume later on and gain momentum. I mean, it's such a nice looking chart. Yeah, if I had to recommend, I would not recommend anybody follow me on EDSA. And if you were going to follow, I would say that CLSN's a higher odds trade. And EDSA looks like it's going to head lower. It's looking like it. I got the stop loss in at 688. And there it goes. Womp, womp, womp. Of course, it gets bought up as soon as it dips down. I need to leave that one alone. Oh, I got executed on WRTC, my short now. At 8:49. I don't think Henry's liking the action in the market today, are you, Henry?
No, pretty boring. Although I did just have an alert breakout on the daily COCP.
Yeah, I seen that one hit the high day scanner. Just trying. Oh, I'm gonna be so annoyed if EDSA goes. Let's see what DGLY is doing now. Oh, back down to 5. Back down to 5. WRTC may go a little higher. EDSA up to 750, starting to come back. Neat. Still fading. IZEA spiked up. Party.
I'll be right back.
Consolidating. Man, this EDSA, you son of a gun. Took me out and then you go. Man, EDSA. Just can't stop watching that one.
I'm back.
Welcome back, Henry.
Pretty slow.
Oh, CLSN. Down to 348. That sucks. Got high hopes for CLSN. What are you doing, Henry?
Oh, my landlord just dropped off my lease. I just have to initial and sign it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go give it to him. He's right outside, so.
Okay. Poor Henry. He sounds so sad. Nothing's going off for us. I think CLSN, man. I just keep believing in it. Probably wrong, but it's so volatile. Look at it. Not CLSN, EDSA. What am I saying? CLSN is not volatile. All right, CLSN still holding 350. EDSA back over VWAP. Gonna consolidate. Hopefully, maybe. WRTC up to the 850s now. CLDX holding green on the day. Other than that, not a whole lot. EDSA is the only one that looks like it wants to go. Yep. Yeah, Henry's right. There's not a whole lot going on. I mean, the CLSN is longer that it consolidates and just holds this VWAP, the better. So this one may be a swing trade idea. Who knows? It may just hold all day long and slowly grind up, and then maybe we'll get a gap up later. But CLDX lost its volatility. EDSN up to 8 now, but rejected. So right now, I mean, there's not a whole lot going on. I got my stop loss in on my CLSN. I mean, WRTC, you know, I took a little short on that, but I mean, this thing's not moving real fast either. So I'll probably just risk VWAP with it. I didn't take very much size on it. Minimum red to green on this one is down close to 8. So if it gets down to 8, I'll be looking to cover down closer to 8. Other than that, I think I'm going to take a break because there's not too much. And otherwise, if I sit here and stare at the screen, I'll just start taking random trades. And I don't want to do that. And I've already got a nice healthy profit on the day. So I don't want to give too much of it back. Yeah, D22 doesn't like a whole lot out there. How did the week with the in-laws go? Oh, it went great. That was last week. Yeah, it went good actually. They basically came and they were slaves. They came and they helped me do a bunch of around my house. I have like these bricks, like a brick border around like the flower bed and stuff. So they basically helped me redo all those bricks. Like we had to, because the bricks over time it had settled. You know, it had settled, so the bricks were uneven now. So we took them out and then put sand down and then put them back up so they look nice and neat now. So we did that and then put in a garden behind my shed, behind my house. So yeah, it went. My in-laws are pretty good to me. They're nice. They're nice people. I don't have any family in the state of Iowa. All my family's in New Mexico, and so my only family now is just my wife and my kids. So when I came to Iowa back in 2001, 2002, you know, I didn't know anybody when I moved here. I had no friends, no family, no job. So I haven't known anybody, but I've been here almost 20 years now here in Iowa. So yeah, they've been good to me. My brother-in-law, for his son's birthday is on Cinco de Mayo, and he bought this huge giant. It's like you blow it up. It has one of those little motors that and it blows up this big thing. No, I'm talking about this thing that my brother-in-law bought for his 5-year-old kid. It's like it basically blows up to a big giant inflatable slide and then it sprays water out on the slide, and then there's like a pool at the bottom. So yeah, we set that up in the backyard, and that was a lot of fun. This thing's like 8 feet high. I was taking my daughter and I was launching her up to the top of the slide, and she'd bounce all around, and then she'd slide down. It was a good time. Yeah, it was fun.
My God, it's so nice out, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm gonna open my window and look outside.
I just opened my windows since I was outside plugging my lawnmower, and like, damn. Nice
It looks nice, Henry, but it's deceiving. Look at the trees, dude. The wind looks like it's blowing.
I went out there in a cut-off t-shirt and shorts, and it's nice in the sun.
Uh-oh, we got an alert. Matt Alvarado says, look at Boar. B-O-R-R. Woo! It's squeezing. Yep, first. Looks like it's, yeah. I mean, it's bouncing off of its lows. Boar's an energy play.
Well, yeah, so I'm still in Bag Holder City with Val that I bought, was it Thursday or Friday? Because all the oil stocks and stuff were moving. And so, yeah, that's moving a little bit too. So maybe the oil stocks will. I'm in at 120, so I gotta get.
On Val?
Yeah.
All right, I said I wasn't going to trade EDSA again. I said I wasn't going to trade it anymore. Oh, no. I don't think Boar's a short, Matt. I mean, if you look at the daily, it's just bouncing off its lows. Oops. Boar.
Did SRNE just put out news or something? God damn it. I knew I should have bought that sucker.
Yeah, I don't think Boar's a short. I think it's a long. I think it's a good swing trade idea for a long. I think it bounces at least a 2, probably. Yeah, EDSA, I had to hop back in. I hopped back in at 777. I don't really like my entry that much, but it looks like it's holding over this VWAP right now, and it looks like it's about to squeeze up some more.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, it goes up to 10. I'm going to sell all my shares if it gets anywhere close to 10. Probably close to 9. And there it's starting to pop off. We're over 8 now. Go, bitch. Come on. Squeeze. Come on. I'm going to sell some here at 8. It could just get rejected right here. You just double top right there and then pull back some more. It might chop around or it just can squeeze over it. Go to 9, please. Let me sell some at 9. No, I'll sell some at 8:30. Nah, I'm gonna hold it a little bit. We'll hold a 9. It's gonna go to 9. Or not.
Oh shit, I got my air on and the window's open. Give me a second. What's going on here?
Man, I should have sold some up in close to 850. It's holding over 8. Alright, I sold some at 827. I'm just going to set the rest at my stop loss at 777 is my stop loss, my entry, and hopefully it can hold over 8. CLSN. I'm liking this. See, the CLSN chart, this is one I don't mind being patient with. Look at that. That's a really clean, nice looking chart. It spikes up, it pulls back, it holds this VWAP, and then it's right near that breakout level. Oh, man, took me out. I should have set my risk wider on a EDSA, but I didn't want to lose any money on it at all. Well, I already took some profits, but I should have set my risk wider. It's gonna go without me.
Ooh, my S-Fit's starting to move. It's at 177. Boom, shakalaka.
What'd you
Anybody who doesn't have any day trades in that, I just went long PTE. I'm gonna plan on swinging it. It's breaking out. It's about to break out on the daily. Unless it squeezes crazy today, I'm gonna sell. But I'll probably be holding this one overnight.
SFET, what'd you get in at?
171.
And it's at, okay, 176. And you're going to swing this one.
Well, that one in PTE, I'm in at 150. Unless they obviously start squeezing today and go crazy, I'll sell, but I'm planning on swinging both of those.
What the hell happened? Okay, I hop back in EDSA. I think that I had too wide of a risk. I'm gonna risk VWAP this time. Probably 749. I took very small size since I have such a wide risk, but I don't need big size with this stock because it's so volatile. I mean, it shoots up to 10, I'll make some good money. Let's pull them back to the 780s now. CLDX about to test red to green or green to red. For those of you short out there. WRTC holding up near VWAP. Okay, added to the EDSA long at 772. My risk will still be the same though.
Ooh, X-Spot's moving. Thanks for the alert, Matt.
Oh yeah, XPA is moving.
Sure, X-Spot until it gets to $8. That's my story and I'm sticking to it.
Yeah, XPA's going. XSPA pulling back to the 530s. And EDSA testing VWAP right now. Doesn't look like it's going to hold. It's a bummer. Come on, hold. I should probably...
Come on, hold?
Yeah, hold VWAP.
Oh, hold. They said hold. Like, who you calling a hold? Hold.
And... oh, there it goes. All right. All done. EDSA for the 20th time. Yeah, it probably rolls over. CLSN is the only one that I think that has... it's my favorite chart so far. I kind of want to add to it. I am going to add to it. I should take EDSA off my screen, so I don't trade it anymore. WRTC is boring. Anyways, I think that's about do it for me. I mean, there's not a whole lot going on right now. We'll just have to... but as soon as we get off, right? That's when everything pops off.
That's right. That's how it works.
Sometimes you just sit and wait. BCLI hitting the high day scanner. It looks like it's about to be a multi-month breakout. Nice looking daily chart. Multi-day, multi-month, and intraday breakout. BCLI. BCLI. I'm going to be so sad if CLSN doesn't work out. Like, how can it not? How do other traders not see that and just want to buy it? Need some volume.
What's all the chat talking about?
NETE, CIOXY, ACTS, IZEA. That's how you kind of know when there's not a whole lot going on, that you'll see just a lot of just random tickers. Like, you know, just, you know, when there's a hot play when you see the same ticker over and over and over.
Mm-hmm. Very, very true.
Okay, I just pumped CLSN a little bit in the chat. All right, look at that CLSN. As soon as I pump in the chat, it pops up. Okay, I don't have that effect. I don't have the Tim Sykes effect, where you can announce your position and it immediately pops up. Look at that CLSN. I think CLSN is going to be a big winner. I think I'm going to pump in Investors Live chat room too. Momentum, Traders Lounge. CLSN, nice looking intraday VWAP hold and trying to break out on the daily. Squeeze, bitch. I didn't write that part. All right, I got out of my WRTC short for break even. It's fucking boring. It's boring. I mean, I think it goes my way. It's boring, but I just don't want to worry about it. I just want to focus on my CLSN trade. I've had a boner for that one all morning long, so I just, sometimes less is more. Less trading. Sometimes it's more. Actually, most of the time it's more.
Less is more.
I don't think EDSA goes. And not that I want to short it. I just want to see if there's shares to short. Nope. Oh, WRTC. I covered it and now it's failing. Damn it. Sometimes in the challenge chat, I do say stuff like that, like squeeze bitch, or I talk a little shit in the challenge chat room, Jonathan, just because I know that in the challenge chat, they let us get away with so much shit in there. Like, we can say whatever we want. We can sit there and talk back and forth and have conversations. Whereas in the Tim Alerts, it's only alerts only. If you try to ask questions or have a conversation, you'll get gagged by Tim Lento. They'll fucking gag your ass. I've been gagged several times in the Tim Alerts.
Are you into that?
Apparently I am, because I've gotten gagged and I went back for more.
Oh, shit.
Oh, somebody replied to my comment in the challenge. Raritan Knight says, agreed. Best looking listed chart as of now. If it can crawl back and retest high day and afternoon. Yeah. It's pretty much the I find.
Yeah, I bought it. CLSN looks like, just looking back here, last time I bought it on May 21st for $239, sold it at $342 the next day. Must have bought it in the afternoon or something for gap up.
EDSA up to 8 now.
My hot neighbor's going for a walk.
The black girl?
No.
Oh.
I got a hot blonde.
Henry, you told me you like black girls.
I like all women. I am not prejudiced towards any women.
Yep, we're all the same color when the lights are out.
That's right.
Speaking of which, I need to call my doctor and schedule my vasectomy.
Snip, snip.
Yep, because I'm scared to have sex with my wife. Don't want to have another baby.
But you still do. Once in a while you get horny and you roll the dice.
Yeah, I've slipped up a little bit here and there, but I've vowed to not to be celibate until I get my vasectomy. See what Croy Runner says. Croy Runner's Tim Grattani. He says, nothing really. People just asking him questions.
Putting it out here. I think SRNE this week's gonna run. I feel like they're gonna put out news. It's had the most action it had since it basically had that big run up a while back to like 10 or whatever.
Yep, I remember.
It's holding VWAP now.
Okay.
I just
Henry's looking for the reversal. It could. Yeah, it could definitely go. Oh, Matterado, you got a vasectomy? Man, this fucking EDSA, I just can't stop watching it. I just keep going back to it. Damn, look at that, man. Henry? Come on, dude.
I see it.
Henry's like, I already traded it this morning. I refuse.
I refuse
to give anything back. I don't know why I have such a hard on for it. I just don't want to miss the big squeeze. FOMO. That's the FOMO. That's real life FOMO right there.
Well, if that's your thing, then you should. Let me pull the chart back up. I can't risk that much, I guess. I just have to sit and watch it. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm waiting for. Actually, might go for a walk since it is nice out and come back around. Get back on around noon or so. Seems like lately stocks start moving between 12 and 1.
Henry, how are you not more interested in CLSN? Explain that to me, sir. Look at it, dude. Look at that chart.
I looked at it. I just told you I bought it on May 21st for $239. It sold at $340 the next day.
No, but what
It's
is...
about to break out on the daily again, so I'm watching it.
Like, how are you not more interested in it now?
There's no volume.
Okay, that's a good reason. That's a valid point. The volume isn't very great on it.
I feel like if I get in now, I gotta swing it.
Well, as long as it keeps grinding up like this, I mean, I'm gonna swing it.
Yeah.
Because it may not go big today, but it may break out and then like gap up tomorrow and really go. Yeah, I think I'm with Henry. I think it's time to call it quits for now. There's not a whole lot to do other than overtrade.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch a few stocks I'm watching, so see what they do.
Look at that CLSN approaching high a day.
Got a couple of swing trades that I'm doing that I think are gonna pan out. Hopefully, PTE and SFET. My Jill entry was good at 62 cents. There's no volume right now, but it's at 66 cents. So hopefully that's gonna work out well for me.
All right, boys and girls, I think we're going to call it quits right there and just ride this CLSN. Although I keep seeing UONE. Ooh, wow. $2 to $5. UONE. Not a whole lot of volume, though. It's weird. Now on $2 to $5 on not very much volume.
I hate when stocks do that. Because that means it could drop from 5 to 2 just like that too.
Trading super thin and squeezes like crazy.
Yeah.
EDSA looking like it's going to give it up. Okay, I think we're done. Thank you guys for tuning in. Oh, I didn't mean to go type in DGAS here. Just okay. See you later, guys. Yep, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys Friday. See you guys Friday. Maybe Wednesday too. I always say that, but minimum Friday. Thank you very much. See you later.
Good luck this week, everybody.
Yeah, good luck this week, everybody.